You join our channel?
Yes, no problem.
Say hello.
Hi.
Bar is giving her number now. You want to join us to Portland?
Yeah.
We'll see you.
Yeah.
Bye. Okay, look at the tattoo. She just made. Perfecto. Perfecto.
It's hard.
What? It's like you cannot really.
It will rip.
Yeah. Yeah, you can see.
Yeah. Not good. I should do that here. Never mind.
Ay, ay, ay. Okay, we're going to eat. So we'll see you later.
It's so tasty. It's all fish and ackee. She's not eating fish, so. What do you have there? Plantain?
Aki is the best, just for you to know. People who never tried Aki, you should come to Jamaica and try it.
Yeah. Very tasty dish. We will show you in the videos, I don't know when, the plants, the trees.
Yeah, it's now yellow, but when it's on the tree, it's red. It's really beautiful. So, hi. Hi.
Hello.
Today we wanted to talk about our new song that we're going to release tomorrow. We are getting it from the producer.
Are you excited? Ayala?
Very. How do you feel?
I don't know. I'm a little bit scared actually.
Yeah, I can understand. We're afraid that it will not be
Like we are working on that song 3 weeks,
even more.
even more.
Yeah, almost a month.
And today I got pissed because he all the time push me.
The producer.
Yeah.
I feel like they are really similar, Bar and the producer. They have the same character sometimes, like the same. I don't know.
But this one is not.
What,
I am
this
the
time?
one who like if I have a deadline.
Yeah, but I feel it was more like misunderstanding. Okay, so what happened?
I don't think so because it's like
We
the
are
routine.
quarter-
All the 3 weeks it was like that.
Yeah.
So you can explain to them the situation.
Okay, so we recorded the song on Monday in the night. So we finished at like 12 in the night, midnight, between Monday to Tuesday. And he said to us, 3 days it's in your, I'm sending to you the song. And today it's Thursday. And he said, Bars wrote to him that she's excited, that we're going to get it today. And I said to her, no, I'm going to send it on Friday because it's like 3 days. Because I couldn't work on it on Monday, so Tuesday it's one day.
And we're
Wednesday,
going to Portland on Monday. So
Yeah.
I don't have a lot of time. Then it will tell me it's weekend. I'm not working in weekend. Blah 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 blah. Blah,
I
blah.
think she's more
Excuses,
afraid that we will
excuses.
not get it in
Until
on Monday.
because
yeah,
we
on
are
Friday. Sorry.
also that and I don't know if I will like it. Maybe I need some to say some I don't know notes or something that it will
Yeah.
change. So it's time. And I don't want to go to Portland without my song. I want to
yeah,
release
of course, I understand it.
And I don't have a lot of time in Jamaica. I'm not living here.
Yeah.
So also that. And he promised me that the song will be ready 1 week ago, 1.5 weeks ago. Like it's a lot of delay.
Yeah, but it was like, I feel like it was a
Sometimes-
lot of it's like not only him, and we can understand it that it was like both of the sides was a lot of were a lot of situations, but in this situation I felt like it was really misunderstanding, and then it was a bit a problem. But we wanted to speak about the song.
Yeah.
Okay, what is the song about? You want to start? You should start.
Okay. Basically, how Ayelet and me working in the music area, that I am the one who started to write because this is my passion to write. So I'm writing a topic or something that I want to talk about or I handle with that most of the people can't relate to. And I will talk in general and then about the song. And most of the people relate to. And then I am putting a structure and then in Hebrew. And then I let is enter to the situation and think how she could connect to the song and her side on point of view of this topic. For example, I don't know, inner criticism or out also people that criticize you on about things that you are doing or stuff like that. And then she's reading my words and she can say how she relate and put her point of view. And then we combine together into a song.
No, but I think criticism, we didn't write like that. Criticism, it was more like, in the beginning, we just said, all of us, the thing that the word criticism say to us, how it come, how it refer to our life. So I feel like we spoke in Hebrew, we didn't write like the song. It was more like, okay, what is this criticism? What you don't like in criticism? Why you don't
It was
like?
the song about love, what I said.
What love?
Remember that I don't remember, I don't think that we have a name for the song, but I wrote something about love, about first meeting, about the excitement. This was something that
but we didn't finish it.
Yeah.
We didn't really continue it. No, so the criticism, it was more like that. So now with the traumatized country, so this is the song that we're going to release tomorrow.
It's Trauma.
Tomorrow or 2 days.
This is the name.
Yeah, it's Trauma. It's about traumatized country. No, Trauma.
No,
We
it's Trauma.
decided. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's about trauma. It's about our country because we.
It's about our feeling actually.
Yeah.
To the situation that happened, but it's like it's all of our lives. Like
Yeah, since we were born, it's
this is how we
Nothing really
experience the
changed.
world.
yeah.
So we wanted, like when we landed here, we understood that our emotion.
I guess people here in Jamaica can really connect, even if it's not about Jamaica, because I feel like the sentences we wrote there, it's people can connect because this is what's going on in the world. It's not only about Israel. We wrote it with our feeling and our experience, but everyone can connect to these sentences because it's something that I think everyone feel or has felt or I don't know, like had this experience at this
In
feelings
Jamaica.
in life. I think in the world because we wrote a lot of things that they are really everyone can relate to when you lose a family member.
Yeah.
You understand what I mean?
But it depends if you have a lot of people that experience this experience in a nation or not. And in Jamaica, I
Yeah.
know that
yeah.
In Israel also. I don't know about the rest of the world, but
We will see.
Yeah, and I feel that it was like my emotion was in Israel. Like my heart was there when the war opened and started, and I couldn't really do anything. Regardless, it's regardless. No.
What?
חוץ מ.
Regardless from.
Dealing with Israel.
Yeah. I
And-
think our feelings were so in the country right now, like really? So we just were on really all our thoughts, thinking, social media were about Israel. So we felt this is what we need to release, I think.
Yeah, and then we start to I start to look at myself and what I feel and what I grow up on. Like when I was a child, all the emotion that you are growing up on, it's like that someday it will be a peace in the Middle East. Someday we will all be together, happy little, I don't know, family.
Family.
But and when I was young, I was a child.
Continue this, go.
Okay.
Yeah.
When I was a child, My mom used to say that maybe we will not.
We will
need
not
an
have
army.
an army in Israel.
Yeah, because it will be peace, and we will not need to fight.
Yeah.
And it was our hope. And she told me when you be grown up, you will not need to recruit to the army. And you know, in Israel, everyone does army. Like we have.
Yeah,
to.
you have to. Like
It's a
girls are
mandatory.
doing 2 years and guys 2 years and 8 months.
And
So-
it ends up like in the when I was 18, I recruited to the army, to the Israeli Navy, and it's something that I didn't have any choice really.
Yeah.
And it's funny because I know that this is our hope, but the reality
The reality is just the opposite. You
Yeah.
have to, and there is no other option. And
So we are talking about we are talking about that in the song. We are talking about the trauma that we experience in the life in Israel. Like in one side, the life in Israel is really safe. I feel like I can walk.
on the street, and
Yeah,
everything is okay,
free,
and we have
and
the
I'm
army to protect us. So it's smelly here.
I free to walk. Everything is open. Even here in Jamaica and Kingston, it's more dangerous than
Yeah.
in Israel, as regards to walking like, by foot and not by car. I can do
Yeah.
whatever. I feel free in Israel.
Yeah.
But on the other hand, every 2 years we have
A war.
A war.
In Israel. So we
And
basically
from
wrote
me.
about our feeling there in Israel. How is it to grow up in Israel? But it was more specific, I think, for this war, because this war was really
Shocking.
yeah, it was like
Unique,
a game changer.
different
Like it
game
was
changer.
really like something that on my nightmares I would have not thought about these things. And that's what happened in Israel, and we don't want to really now speak details about what happened, but you should read what happened in one day.
We
That-
don't know. We don't want to also to talk about politics. This is our
Yeah, this
side,
is-
yeah.
yeah.
But for me, it's like it's not to talk about the politics. It's talk about the emotion, like how is to live in those situations. Like for
Exactly.
me, when I hear thunder or explosion of something fell, my heart beating fast. I feel like I need to protect myself. I
Yeah.
feel a lot of stuff, and it's only because of our
Country
reality.
and reality in Israel.
And it's difficult reality. And so I think that this song is really about emotions, the things that we are going through as a human being in every war,
Yeah.
and
And I hope
it's about hope and peace and oneness and together, and
that this is the big dream.
yeah, that's what I feel.
Me too. Me too. I hope you would like the song. That's what he did. So I hope you would like this song.
I hope also.
And we'll see you on our next video that it will be our song, I guess.
Yeah, and comment and say to us if you like it or not, or everything. Also the topic
Yeah.
will be we are reading every comment.
Yeah.
We're excited about it. So be with us.
Bye.
Bye.